Hello, I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. We're always presenting the most entertaining and informative dental videos for you. And I know all you guys love the Snap-on Smile videos, so we have a great result today, and we're going to go ahead and show it to you. Okay, so most of our patients don't like us showing their faces, so we show their smile. But this is a real live person. Say hello.
Hey.
Okay, so you came to us because you do not like these missing spaces, and you've been wearing this retainer for how many years?
2 years?
2 years.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a look at what the retainer looks like. They've made a retainer similar to Invisalign, and they filled in the missing teeth with composite, but here's what the problem is. Go ahead and open. I'm going to fit it in. The teeth look really yellow, and you have to wear that retainer all the time,
Yeah.
right? And what is it? I mean, obviously you don't like it because...
It's yellow. It just looks ugly.
Okay, and so how did you find out about us?
I went online, researched, I saw you on TV, I found your Instagram, and I was just mind blown.
Okay, so we are doing a Snap-on Smile, and you guys are going to be amazed at the results. Are you ready? Because you
Yeah.
haven't seen it, right?
No.
All right, so we sent the patient in for digital impressions. We take digital impressions, not that goop in your mouth. Here's her upper existing teeth on a model, and also the lower. The Snap-on Smile was made over her upper existing teeth, and it's made out of a specialized acetyl resin, which is the same resin that NASA used for its space shuttle cabinets. You can see where we've replaced the missing teeth, and we are going to try it in. Okay, are you ready for the big reveal?
Yes.
So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Now we've changed the color, and we've also filled in the missing teeth. So no more little retainer, and this fits over all her teeth, and it literally snaps into place. Bite down. We've already adjusted it. She hasn't seen it, and it is awesome. I can't wait. Now, all you YouTube viewers are going to go, well, her yellow teeth are more yellow. Well, you know what? Maybe at some point we'll either whiten them or we'll do that, but right now the upper is what she wanted, and this is going to solve her immediate problem. So my most asked question is, how much are they? And I try to answer every single comment, but I'm going to let you know, in our office, they're $17.90. That includes digital impressions, and you can actually eat, drink, and speak, and they fit perfectly. They are not like your internet appliances. The internet appliances simply do not fit. I have a video that you guys can go to watch that as well. These are the real deal. There's only one Snap-on Smile, and it's not sold over the internet. So if you're seeing something that's sold over the internet with my videos on it, it's not my appliance. So we are now going to show you the big reveal. All right, here's the big reveal. Turn the mirror over.
Oh my God, thank you.
That's the reaction we want.
Oh my God, this is so crazy. Oh my God. It looks like veneers. Oh my God.
They're beautiful.
She's amazing.
They're beautiful. You love them?
Yes.
How's that going to make you feel now?
Smiling.
Yeah,
I
they're
can
beautiful.
smile now.
They're beautiful. They do. They look like veneers.
Yeah.
They really do. I mean, they're actually stunning.
Yeah.
All right, high five, woman.
Thank you.
Okay, this is why we do what we do. Another amazing Snap-on Smile reveal. You can have one too. You can contact us at www.TexasToothLady.com. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Thank you for watching.